Okay guys, today's question is from the ISI BStat BMath entrance examination. And let me tell you something very clearly. ISI does not care if you can calculate first. ISI cares if you can think smart. So this examination is like calculator को side में रखो और दिमाग की बत्ती jalao. And today's problem is a perfect example of turning sums into the integrals and trapping them like a pro. So come to the question first. Question है show that 2 into root 251 minus 1 is less than summation k is equal to 1 to 250 1 by root k less than 2 into root 250. Okay, so we have to prove it. So basically wherever you see the sum like summation of 1 by root k, your brain should scream, can I compare this with an integral? So ISI students don't evaluate the sums, they control them using the integrals. Okay, now let fx equal to 1 by root x. Okay, so y is what? 1 by root x, and this function is decreasing. This is a decreasing function. So as x increases, 1 by root x behaves like your energy after the lunch, slowly decreasing and then gone. So for a decreasing function, we have integration 1 to n plus 1 fx dx is less than summation k is equal to 1 to n fk is less than integration 1 to n fx dx plus f of 1. But we will use a cleaner standard idea. Okay, for a decreasing f, integration 1 by n plus 1 fx dx is less than equal to summation of k is equal to 1 to n fk and less than equal to the integration 0 to n fx dx. Okay, now apply to our case. We want what? Summation of k is equal to 1 to 250 1 by root k, right? Now let's go to the lower bound. So summation k is equal to 1 to 250 1 by root k is greater than integration 1 to 251 1 by root x dx. Now compute. So integration of 1 by root x dx is what? 2 root x. So we can say that integration of 1 to 251 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 into root 251 minus 1, right? Now come to the upper bound. Okay, so this is summation k is equal to 1 to 250 1 by root k is less than integration 0 to 250 1 by root x dx. Now we can say integration 0 to 250 1 by root x dx is 2 root 250, right? So what will be the final result? The final result will be 2 into root 251 minus 1 is less than summation k is equal to 1 to 250 1 by root k less than 2 into root 250. Okay, so we have proved it. Now you did not add the 250 terms, you replaced them with one integral, and that's called the mathematical maturity. Okay, so this method works whenever you see the sums like summation of 1 by k, summation of 1 by root k, summation of f of x and f of x is monotonic. Okay, so this is basically the foundation of the harmonic series estimates and the integral test in the sequences and series and the approximation techniques used in the higher math. Okay, so whenever you see the large sum like 100 sums, 100 terms, 200 terms, etc., don't panic. Just ask, can I convert this into an integral, and is the function increasing or decreasing? Okay, so students, we have just solved a classic question from the ISI BStat BMath entrance examination, and in the next session we will solve more questions like this. Okay, so we will meet at the next session. Till then, bye bye.